A weird year, huh? COVID, unemployment, social unrest, wildfires. I bet this wasn't on your New Year's resolution list. It certainly wasn't on mine. Some of my customers are worried about what's going to happen to real estate after the upcoming presidential election. My name is Scott Dickinson, and my approach to real estate is you need a plan. So let's talk about real estate post-election. You may not know this, but sales of homes go down typically in fall. From 1963 through 2019, November sales compared to October sales have fallen on average 9.8% in non-political years. But it's also true that during political election cycles, those same sales go down 15%. What typically happens is buyers become cautious with the idea of a leadership change. With cautious buyers means less sales means less price competition. But this is actually good for buyers. Even with all the change that's going on in our lives right now, the fundamentals of the market will not change because of the election. The low inventory of homes, the excess of willing buyers, and the historic low interest rates will survive no matter who wins the election. So in this case, it's also good news for sellers. So where does that leave all of us? I think the one thing that everyone wants to do, whether you're a buyer or a seller, is to make the right decisions about real estate. And the way to do that is with a plan. I don't just sell homes. I help clients make that plan. That plan that contemplates everything from need assessments to risk tolerances to what the best options are for financing and, of course, market trends. Over the years, I've learned that this is the approach that helps people make the best decisions. And that's what I want to do, no matter who wins the elections. I'm Scott Dickinson, and if you're interested in me helping you with your plan, give me a call. Thank you.